Oh no, looks like I won't be able to get out this time. You can't hide forever. I'll take the treasure for myself and buy a whole ton of beauty products. Yup! Oh, never! You won't win. Get ready to freeze. I score a frost. Go!
Hey guys, can you be quiet? I'm trying to concentrate here.
Oopsie.
My blush, my eyeshadows. Oh no! Sammy!
I mean, it's just makeup items, right?
Just makeup? Just? I will. You will. Oh, how could you say that?
Sorry, Susie. It was an accident. I didn't mean to break your stuff. Let's make you new makeup items. Look, I've got a lot of beautiful shiny clay.
Well, okay. But only because this clay is really very beautiful. Since I'm in charge today, I suggest starting with an eyeshadow palette.
And Jane and I will be helping you. This is just the right tool for the job.
Thanks, Sammy. I really appreciate it. Let's get started. I want to make my new palette about this size.
Jane, get this. With this plumper, you'll have the most beautiful lip. Oh, really?
No, you won't be able to enlarge your lips like that. See, it's a mold. We'll cut the spaces for eyeshadows with it.
Ah, now I get it. Make way, Susie. I'm supposed to help.
It's okay, Sammy. I can do it myself.
So, let's see. The treasure must be somewhere here. I'm telling ya. Ah, there you are. An old sea dog like myself is never wrong about treasure. Wow. This is... Wait a minute. It's just glitter.
And it's just what we need. I'll cover the top part of the eyeshadow palette with it. Look, it's kind of magic glow.
Hey, wait! Are you going to make the eyeshadows out of these?
Yup, I will just use that mold from earlier today to do it. See, it's easy peasy, really. Now we'll just put each shade in its place.
And I've got the last two. Oh, I'm so slick.
Well, friends, what do you say?
Wow, it looks so beautiful. Will you do me some makeup? Pretty please.
Sure, but first we need to craft the makeup base.
Woo! Catch the wave! Or whatever they say. Hey!
Hop on, Sammy.
Am I doing it right, Sue?
Yes, everything is fine. Let me just cut off the excess and make little notches, just like any real cosmetic tube has.
Oh, my precious. This is a real work of art. And luckily, it's lunchtime. I've been waiting for this since breakfast.
That toothpick, right.
Why? Why on earth did you do that? It is ruined now.
Ruined, huh? Just like my old makeup stuff.
Oh, right. Well then, it's still food anyway.
Oh, Sammy. Now let's make this bottleneck look more realistic.
And finally, we are moving on to the makeup base. This tone is what you need.
You're an expert now, as I see.
Oh, can we do this already?
Yes, let's try it. It looks great on you.
Yay!
We definitely need a makeup brush.
To use it to apply eyeshadows, right?
Uh-huh. Who'll do it? Me or you?
Then let's draw toothpicks. Whoever gets the short one wins.
Well, looks like you won. It's only fair. I mean, I already played with the makeup base.
Hooray! Oh, I know exactly what color I'll choose. Or maybe even two at once.
And I just need this toothpick. We need a holder for the soft part of the brush, right here. And we need the makeup brush itself, of course. Here we go.
Make yourself comfortable, Jane. So, I want to choose this color. Ah, perfect! It really brings out the color of your eyes. Oh, yes, I'm so pretty. Wait, I'm not done yet. What? One more shade? Wow! This is amazing. Yes, it turned out very well. But now we need a blusher.
But first, let's make a brush so we have something to apply them with.
No, this won't do. We need to make it more realistic.
Okay, let's add more detail if you insist. Now, let's roll out the clay, a bit giving it the shape of a real brush.
Here you are. I think you made something like this for a small brush.
Thank you. We will wrap the thick part of the brush to get the bristles holder, see? And this step is to make everything hold together. Carefully, like this. And big soft and fluffy brush for the blusher is done. Now it's time to move on to making the blusher. Let's just mix all the colors together. Our blusher cannot stay in a ball shape. Let's roll it out.
give it a perfect shape. Come on, cut out, you!
What to make the case from? This one.
Hey, Sue, check me out. Do you think this crown suits me, huh? Oh, precious mold crown, help us with our crafting. Whoosh! Yay, it worked! I am the master of clay molds.
And thank Tibidaba for that. My hands are already tired of rolling out and cutting out all the clay.
Glitter! We need more glitter.
This is where we will place the mirror. This way will give a unique shape to our blusher case. And here we go. Oh, come on. It doesn't want to hold on at all. What to do now? Oh, I have an idea. Who's ready to take part in a competition for the fastest ice cream eater?
I was born ready. Let's do this. That was tasty. Yeah. Sue, do you happen to have any more ice cream?
Sorry, Jane, but that's all I had. I'm glad you liked it, though. Now we can make a frame for the blush case parts to stay attached. Here we go. Perfect! It turned out beautiful and functional. My favorite kind.
It is blush time. Haha! Is my model ready? Ooh la la! How do you like it? I think it is definitely your style. Great! Except my lips are kind of dry.
Thanks for the idea. We will now make lip balm.
Oh! Red on turquoise. Just the sight for sore eyes.
Beautiful, bright and juicy moisturizing lip balm is done. Let's help our Jane as soon as possible.
Oh! It immediately felt better. Thanks! The lip balm is good, but let's add color and make a lipstick.
First, we need to roll out the color base.
Now Susan will make a neat cut at the top.
Yeah, just like the real lipsticks have. Now we will make a lipstick holder or case. I never know what it's called. Don't forget that we have 2 lipsticks, so we need 2 holders. And of course, the lipstick packaging itself should also be beautiful and shiny. We did great! And these are my favorite shades of pink.
I think this shade would look especially good on you, Jane. Oh, how great! I really love it!
Wait a minute, where did the second lipstick go?
Sorry, I got a little carried away and smeared it all over myself.
It's okay. This color suits you very well, Sammy.
Do you know what else we're missing here? Nail polishes!
That's for sure. I will make 3 of them.
Look what I can do! I'll roll them out all at once now!
And this is what I can do. Abracadabra, smoosh! Great! We just need to put everything together. And the nail polish collection is ready too.
How about a little manicure, Jane? You look stunning!
Oh, wow! What a beautiful nail polish! It's even better than the one I had.
Did you like our craft? Was it a good idea to replace your makeup?
Everything is great, Sammy. We got what we needed.
Oh, yeah?
And I think that someone here is also completely delighted.
Woohoo! I'm so beautiful now that I don't need any pirate treasures. Thank you for being with us today, fellas. Give a thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!